Here at Denny's Roofing LLC Denver, we specialize in roof installation and replacement in Denver, Colorado. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to providing top-quality craftsmanship on every project. We understand the importance of a reliable roof, especially in Denver's unpredictable weather. Whether you need a new roof installed or a replacement, we've got you covered. Our commitment to customer satisfaction means we'll work closely with you to meet your specific needs. With our attention to detail and superior materials, you can trust your roof will withstand the elements for years to come. From start to finish, we'll ensure your project is completed efficiently and effectively. Plus, we offer competitive pricing to fit your budget without compromising on quality. Knowing that your home is in good hands with our experts can give you peace of mind. Call us today at 970-545-0020 to schedule a free consultation and estimate. Visit our website at dennysroofingllc.com/denver-roofing-company for more information on our services. We'll evaluate your roof's condition honestly and let you know if we find evidence of wind or hail damage. Trust Denny's Roofing LLC Denver for all your roofing needs in the Denver area. Experience the difference of working with a roofing company that puts your satisfaction first.